Why should I own a toaster oven? That is a question that you should ask yourself before purchasing one. A toaster oven is a handy little kitchen appliance, and it is a popular addition to many households. Not only do they make delicious breakfast foods, but they're also relatively inexpensive. Here is a great model you should consider. This unit comes with various features, so make sure to read the reviews to see if it fits your needs.
Say hello to smart oven cooking with endless possibilities. Hello Golden Toast. Crispy air fry without excess oil. Red velvet cupcakes. Fancy miso salmon. Dehydrated pineapple. Falling off the bone lamb shanks. Well, hello pizza. And succulent roast chicken. See how Breville's Element IQ system allows you to master every cooking technique.
This was rated by a respectable service in October 2019 as the best toaster oven. The article added that, while costly, this oven may often take the place of your regular kitchen oven. So far, I've found this accurate. I love the way toast comes out perfectly every time to the exact doneness I prefer. Cookies are beyond compare also. Love it. We are living in 90 degrees plus heat in a small condo and I don't want to turn the big oven on. This has done everything I would do in the big oven. So far, we made a pizza using the Breville pizza stone, broiled lamb chops, pan-roasted a steak, roasted bone and chicken breasts, broiled a swordfish steak, baked biscuits, reheated leftovers, and toasted bagels, English muffins, and of course bread. It cools down quickly so the kitchen does not get overheated. Well, now I see the hype on these ovens. I had a Cuisinart before this one. I was about $150. This oven is truly amazing. It's almost like a microwave the way it cooks. Cooks very fast. I love the light inside. It's very user-friendly. The quality is definitely there. I hope it holds up. I was my only concern with some of the reviews. But I can say with confidence that this is the best toaster oven or you can buy. I haven't turned on my regular oven in months. Why heat your whole house? I have used this little oven every day since I have had it. I roasted 2 stuffed Cornish hens with it for Christmas. Great product, and it looks nice on the counter as well. Great oven. Does everything as advertised. Only issue I have is the power plug. This may or may not affect you. The plug is very large and when plugged into the receptacle it sticks out about 3 to 4 inches. My receptacle is directly behind where I need to put this oven. I can't push the oven all the way back on my countertop because the back of the oven touches the plug. The oven does get hot, that's what ovens do. I'm afraid of kinking and or burning the power cord. I had to purchase a 1-foot flush mount extension cord to solve the problem. Otherwise, this is a quality unit and I am happy with it. This is the newer model with the built-in light. I have it on my countertop and it works while my 1500W microwave in use, without tripping the 20 amp circuit breaker. The board on top is actually what I wanted to show off. It's a Chef Remy 16 by 10 cutting board and can be found here at Amazon, www.amazo. My standards for kitchen appliances and various wares are really high. They have to be really high grade, accurate, and very long lasting. Click link in description for more reviews.